The number 8 northeast gale or storm signal and the black rainstorm warning signal are now in force. Meanwhile, the special announcements on flooding in northern New Territories, landslip warning and thunderstorm warning are also in force. Let's take a look at the latest about Tropical Cyclone Koinu. Koinu has weakened into a severe tropical storm. At 7 a.m., Koinu was centered about 110 kilometers southwest of Hong Kong and is forecast to move west or west-southwest at about 10 kilometers per hour, crossing the western coast of Guangdong. In the past few hours, Koinu trekked westward steadily and started to depart from the Pearl River estuary. However, intense rain bands associated with Koinu continued to affect the region. From the radar imagery, we can see that in the past few hours, rain bands have been continuously sweeping across Hong Kong from east to west, leading to sustained heavy rain. Occasional gale force winds are still affecting some parts of the territory. With Koinu departing, local winds will weaken gradually. The observatory will issue the strong wind signal number 3 at 11:40 a.m. Locally, since midnight, more than 100 millimeters of rainfall were recorded over most parts of the territory, and rainfall even exceeded 200 millimeters over the urban areas, Tseung Kwan O and Lantau Island. Locally today, there will be heavy squally showers and thunderstorms. Although Koinu is departing from us, please continue to take precautions against high winds and flooding, and beware of landslip dangers. As seas are still very rough and there are swells, please stay away from the shoreline and low-lying areas. Don't engage in water sport activities.